Take you from Karnataka to the state of Kerala. For the Malayalam film industry, there's been a huge blow-up that's happened, and that's with regard to sexual harassment investigation. It's been building up for decades, and it appears to have finally come forth as documented, and more women are speaking up. India Today's relentless coverage has followed Kerala government deciding to form a special investigation team headed by a woman IS officer to probe the allegations. These are charges for now of harassment, sexual, physical, psychological, and it's against some of the most top actors, renowned faces whose films we watch and admire, being accused of harassment and exploitation. The special investigation team headed by Inspector General Sparjan Kumar will comprise of senior women police officers, because there are many women witnesses in this case and survivors. This after basically how it started, and the recent consequence of that is one Malayali actor, and a famous one, he's a popular Malayali actor, Siddiqui, has resigned as the General Secretary of the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists following allegations of assault levelled against him too. Then there is popular Malayalam filmmaker Ranjit, who's also stepped down as the chairperson of the Kerala Chalachitra Academy following allegations of misbehaviour that has been levelled against him by a Bengali actor. Now, the allegations basically have come in the wake of the Justice Hema Committee report. This report documents, while many are anonymous, but many have come on the record to talk about years and instances of exploitation, sexual harassment, molestation, and worse, of abuse charges within the industry, basically highlighting severe misconduct and exploitation happening, specifically of younger, vulnerable women artists, and some renowned women faces as well have alleged that they have been harassed for far too long.
അദ്ദേഹം റിസൈൻ ചെയ്തു അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താ പറയാ ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറയുന്നതിനപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് ഇതിന് മുന്നേ ഞാൻ ഒരു കൊളോക്കിയലായിട്ട് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞൊരു ടേം ഉണ്ട്, എടുത്ത് ചവിട്ടി പുറത്താക്കുക എന്നുള്ളത്. അത് ചെയ്യണമായിരുന്നു. സോ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാനത് ഹൈ ടൈം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് തന്നെ. വേറെ വഴിയില്ലാതെ നമ്മൾ രാജിക്കത്ത് കൊടുത്തിട്ട് പോവാന്ന് പറയുന്നില്ലേ. സോ ഐ ഫെൽ ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. ബട്ട് ഹി ടോട്ടലി ഡിസേർവ്സ് ഇറ്റ്. അയാൾക്ക് അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു പവർ ഹോൾഡിംഗ് സ്പേസിൽ ഇരിക്കാനൊന്നും അർഹത ഉള്ള ആൾക്കാരല്ല. അവിടെ ഇരുന്ന് മറ്റുള്ളവരെ അബ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാനല്ലല്ലോ. അതോറിറ്ററി എന്നുള്ള ഒരു സംഭവം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പവർ ഉള്ള ഒരാൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പവർ മിസ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാനല്ലല്ലോ ഇരിക്കേണ്ടത്. അപ്പം അത് കാണിക്കുന്ന ഒരാളെ ഇതിന് മുന്നേ എടുത്ത് പുറത്തേക്കേണ്ട ഒരു വിഷയമാണ്. ബട്ട് അത് ഇപ്പൊ സംഭവിച്ചു. ബട്ട് ഹി ടോട്ടലി ഡിസേർവ്സ് ഇറ്റ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഒരു വിസിബിലിറ്റിയും ഒരു സ്പേസസും കൊടുക്കരുതെന്നും കൂടെയാണ്. നമ്മൾ ഈ രാജി എന്നൊരു സംഭവം പറയുന്ന സമയത്ത് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ അവൈലബിലിറ്റി, അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഐഡന്റിറ്റിയുടെ അവൈലബിലിറ്റി ഒന്നും ഒരിടത്തും പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യരുത്. നമ്മുടെ സ്വപ്നത്തിന്റെ മേൽ ചവിട്ടിക്കയറി നിന്നാണ് അയാൾ ഇതെല്ലാം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്. അപ്പം ഫിലിംസിൽ അയാളെ കാസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യരുത്. അല്ലാതെ 100,000 ആൾക്കാർ ഇവിടെ ബാൻ ചെയ്യാനൊക്കെ അറിയാമല്ലോ. ഇദ്ദേഹത്തിനാണ് ആദ്യം എടുത്ത് ബാൻ ചെയ്ത് കളയുന്നത്. ഇതുപോലുള്ള ആരാണെങ്കിലും ശരി, ഒരു സ്പേസും കൊടുക്കരുത് എന്നുള്ളത് ഉണ്ട്. അവർക്ക് ആ സ്പേസ് കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ദോസ് പീപ്പിൾ ആർ ഓൾസോ സെയിം ക്രിമിനൽസ് ലൈക്ക് ഹിം. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു കാര്യം. സോ ദർ ഇസ് നോ ഡിഫറൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ them and him. That's it.
Are you scared after this?
No, I'm totally not scared. I was at one time, I mean, during my 20s, beginning up to 25 maybe. After that, I'm not scared. Nothing to lose, then why I need to scare?
So let's go on the ground in Thiruvananthapuram, where Shibimol KG is joining me for the latest on that. Shibimol, good morning. What is the situation on the ground right now in Kerala? The mood, the sentiment, talk of the town? Because I'm sure many, like we have always seen, Shibe, would come and say, but these are allegations, these are charges, it's not proven. What are you picking up about how really of a mass sentiment this has been among women actors?
Pooja, in the last 1 week, ever since the Hema Committee report has come out, we've seen that, the industry coming under, facing huge questions about the safety of women, because Malayalam cinema, we know, for the longest time have been praised for the quality content that it makes. So for the first time, probably we are putting everybody under fire is what we are seeing, because after the Hema Committee report came out, the government did not take any action, saying that there are limitations when it comes to taking action. The Hema Committee was formed to study the issues faced by women and to find solutions for it, and not to take any action. And a lot of victims who gave statements before the committee gave it under the promise of confidentiality. So we have to, safeguard the confidentiality. The identity of these victims is what the state government said. If somebody comes and gives a complaint formally, then we'll take action, is what the state government clarified. But then there was too much protest against state government, with people from every sector, people who trusted state government with this committee also raised questions to him, especially the women in collective Cinema Collective, WCC, that was formed after the actress assault case in 2017. They consistently raised this question to the state government because it was the first time that a state government in the country formed a committee to study the issues of women in the film industry. In the last 1 week, they've been under great pressure, and finally that they've decided to form an SIT, to look into all these allegations and complaints that's come up in the last 1 week. Because in the EMA committee report, yes, none of the names are revealed of the victims or of the accused, but in the last 1 week, we've seen people, more and more women in the industry coming forward and, raising the allegation, also reiterating some of the allegations that they've raised in the past. So, and we have seen the action also coming in the last few days, because we've seen two of the most prominent artists in the industry, director Ranjit and Siddiq, resigning. And but as far the government is concerned, they had a lot to do in this. They did not submit the report, publish the report for a long time, for around 4.5 years. They did not publish the report, having got the report. So now they've been under really high pressure that they formed an SIT to look into it, which will have women officers. They will look into all these complaints and allegations, but a formal case will be registered if somebody formally files a complaint, is what we are understanding. But yes, too late, but yes, some action has come in, is what the response has been like from the film industry and in general also.